bestie. Welcome to my channel. My name is Miss Rogo, also known as Karen. In this video, I'm opening up Happy Mail that I received from Rose Shadow Collection. If you're new to my channel, I do unboxing of Happy Mail that I received, cash stuffing, budget plan with me's, investing, as well as giving you some tips on how to maximize your savings at the pump utilizing your local grocery store fuel rewards program. If you've been here before and decided to come back, thank you so much for supporting my channel. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Okay, so let's jump into this Happy Mail. This is a ruler from Rose Shadow Collection. This is a freebie item. Typically, when you purchase one of her bundle items, she does include a freebie with your order. So with this Happy Mail, it's actually 2 orders that I placed. She had offered some scripts. You could get custom scripts, but then she had some that was already created where you could just select from a drop down button, and these are the ones that I decided to get. So my custom stickers are Cash Stuffing, Monogram Monday, and the rest of them, she actually had a drop down button that you could pick, and this font right here is Louis Vuitton. This is one of the newest fonts that she added to her shop. And I will make sure to include her shop website in the description. And if I do forget to leave it, make sure you comment and ask me for it, and then I can add it for you guys. Now for my custom sheet that has the cash stuffing on it, I am kind of disappointed in that particular sheet because I don't have that many stickers that says cash stuffing. You know, the other sheets seem kind of full, and I wish that one was full as well. So leave in the comments what categories or what scripts would you get if you had the option to make custom stickers. So now let's go ahead and get into the Coach exclusive bundle so you can see what was actually included. If you got the bundle, what is your favorite item in the bundle? Okay, so this is one of the items. We got a Coach purse, pen, and next up, we got a Coach pen. Those are 2 pens that we received in this bundle. Now, let's go ahead and open up the sticker book. So, Rose Shadow Collections, she makes luxury brand sticker books and pens. So if you have a favorite luxury brand, guys, you can go ahead and check her out. She might have a sticker book or some pens with that brand. And if you do not see that brand, you might can inquire to see would she make a sticker book and some pens or that particular brand. I'm not sure if she would, but it doesn't hurt to ask. So I love her sticker books. You have seen me utilize her sticker books within my Plan With Me videos. And also you have seen her pens in the inner pocket of my planners or my agendas. Also, I noticed with her bundles, the color that she utilizes is basically based on that season, and you can notice like this color is like an autumn fall vibe. So what's your thoughts on the bundle? Did you like it? I'm excited that within the sticker book that she has the notebook cover, a sticker of the notebook cover like I have right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the pens to my Coach notebook. I got this notebook. It's been years. I don't even know when I got it, but I've had it a long time. Never used it. But when I saw her bundle, I knew that I would add the pens to this. So that's basically it, guys, for this Happy Meal. Leave in the comments your thoughts. What's your favorites? Your thoughts about the custom stickers, the scrub stickers, the sticker book along with the pins. Thank you so much for watching and have an awesome day. Toodles.